Welcome and thanks for joining us at EMII.com. I'm Kathleen Reddington with your Capital Markets Report. Today is Tuesday, August 19, 2008. U.S. antitrust enforcers have approved the purchase of French software maker Ilog by International Business Machines Corporation. According to Reuters, the deal, valued at 215 million euros, appeared Monday on a list of approved deals periodically released by the U.S. Federal Trade Commission. Buying Ilog is part of IBM's strategy to acquire intellectual property companies to which it can give scale. Staying with capital markets news, Brinker International will sell a majority stake in restaurant chain Romano's Macaroni Grill to an affiliate of private equity firm Golden Gate Capital for $131.5 million. According to Reuters, Brinker said it would retain a 20% interest in the brand. Brinker also owns the Chili's Grill and Bar chain and expects the deal to close by year-end. Brinker and other operators in the mid-tier casual dining segment have been hit the hardest by the U.S. economic downturn, which has caused consumers to cut back on trips to family restaurants. And in more capital markets news, Fannie Mae, the largest U.S. home loan company, plans to sell $1 billion of 3-month benchmark bills due November 19th and $1 billion of 6-month bills due February 18th in a Dutch auction on Wednesday. In such uniform price auctions, successful bidders pay only the price of the lowest accepted bid rather than the actual price, as in conventional multi-price auctions. And in other capital markets news, Union Bank CalCorp, California's second biggest bank, agreed to a sweetened $3.5 million cash offer from Mitsubishi UFJ Financial Group Incorporated. According to Bloomberg News, Mitsubishi's Japan's largest bank raised its bid for the third of the company it doesn't own by 17%, which values the San Francisco-based lender at $10.1 billion. Union Bank Cal's board will recommend the $73.50 a share offer to shareholders, the company said today in a statement. The deal is the biggest announced takeover of a U.S. bank this year. The lender, with 330 branches in California, Washington, and Oregon, reported second quarter profit that beat analyst estimates after shunning subprime lending and avoiding the worst of the U.S. mortgage market collapse. And that rounds out today's Capital Markets Report. Thanks for joining us on EMII.com. For more details on these stories and much more, click onto our Capital Markets channel online, read the full stories and the latest developments.